Hey everyone, DHS Media Corner here, and I'm going to show you a really strange error on a Disney Blu-ray. Over here I have my 2012 Blu-ray of the Aristocats. So yeah, front, spine, and the back. I'll show you the error right there. Look right here. Look where I'm pointing my finger at. They misspelled Aristocats. Look right here. They added Aristocats when it's actually spelled Aristocats. See that? It's just really strange error right there. Pretty weird right there. So that's the error. That's the error on a DVD and Blu-ray. I want to show you right there. So anyways, yeah, this is DHS Media Corner signing off.